Club Records Bungalow Universal presents Al the Bandit, Triple D, Smash the Mic Birthday Bash. Going down April the 23rd, Thursday night. It's gonna be off the chains. It's going down at TDK Lounge, located 1914 South Acker Street at Suite 100 in Dallas, Texas. Al the Bandit, Smash the Mic Triple D Birthday Bash. Going down. Hosted by the legendary producer, Mr. Platinum Producer himself, Mr. Quinn Black. Mr. Quinn Black. Also hosted by Tree Dog and ATM. Also LeBarry the promoter. And special invited guest, Mr. Goldfinger, Cottonmouth and the Rally Boys, Big Wheel Records, Stampede Records, Something Nice Entertainment, Mr. Polo the Don. And I'm bringing live in concert my main man, The Prophet, CNN Records, MC Doe, JJ the Prince, Bozo, Solo, Young Ralph, and the whole CNN Records going down. Also special invited guest, WMRM, Big Win West, Big Win West, Lady Savage, Lady Savage. Also going down my main man, Cassidy and the Block Boys, all the way from Houston, Texas, will be in the house, live in concert. Smash the Mic Tour, Al the Bandit Birthday Bash, April the 23rd, at TDK Lounge, and live in the mix as my homeboy, TDK on the ones and the twos, breaking them off real popularized, along with QT in the house. Also special invited guest DJs, the deputies and DJs, Go DJs, all in the house to represent April the 23rd, Thursday night, Al the Bandit Birthday Bash live at TDK Lounge, 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. 21 to get in.